Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm doing a quick review on Taxfyle. Now Taxfyle simply says this: get a pro to do your taxes and bookkeeping. That's right, you get a pro to do your taxes and bookkeeping. Quite simple. It is recognized by all these companies, and a lot of users have a lot of great things to say about them. So this Taxfyle or Taxfyle platform is a platform that adapts to you, where you can contact a real expert. You get effortless documentation. Also, you can stay ahead of tax laws, security protocols. It's easy to use for everyone. So these are the great intro you can do. You can do a lot of stuff. So you can easily upload, share, and manage your tax documents securely. Get expert advice from deductions to IRS compliance. They ensure accurate filing. They're only tested to confirm they meet security clearance, and they are recognized as #1 tax time app in the App Store for 3 consecutive years. So it is a perfect solution. If you need tailored accounting, bookkeeping, tax filing advisory, here are the price. Yeah, that's it. Is the cost. So you can start bundling, get a bookkeeper, set pricing, schedule a call. This is a here you have to talk to a rep, but this is the amount of money you gotta pay. So why will you love this? Let's give you, because 89% of clients recommend them. They give you 100% money back insurance. You get 100K plus returns prepared and filed, and 12 years average pro experience. So sounds like a great deal to me. If you need more assistance, you can easily contact them or go to their help center. So I would say you should use it because they give you solutions for tax filing, tax advisory, bookkeeping by state, tax outsourcing, API integration, and partnership programs. So what are you waiting for? Give them a try.